Now all of you mark your attendance. Please mark your attendance. Okay. We have to move on to our next chapter. Third one, addition up to 10. Before that, do you want a class test? Class test വേണോ first chapter na? വേണോ? No? Yes or no? Do you want a class test, unit test for this first chapter? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, then when we have to conduct the class test? When we have to conduct it is next Sunday. Are you ready? Okay, then we will have a unit test on this chapter, second one, numbers up to 20, on 1st August 2021, Sunday at 7 p.m. Okay, be ready for that. Then our next chapter, third one, addition up to 10. Addition up to 10. Page number 94. Page number 94. What do you mean by addition? What do you mean by addition? Do you know what is addition? Did you heard about that? What is addition? In the add-on, Joseph. What is addition? Kootuga. Kootuga. Okay. All of you listen here. Normally, Samatna and Devapriya are attending their class from their own houses. Okay. Now, look at them. They are attending the class together. You can see how many students in one screen. All of you are only one. But in the case of Samatna and Devapriya, how many of them? They are Samatna and Devapriya. They are two. Right? They are two. That means we are adding them. One Samatna and one Devapriya. We are adding both of them. We get 1, 1, 2 ones made 2. Okay? That is addition. Addition means putting together. We create one group from two different groups. Another example, suppose there are 5 girls and 5 boys in a class. In first standard, suppose there are 5 girls and 5 boys. They are different groups, boys and girls, right? Boys are one group and girls are one group. Then, if we put these two groups together, we get the total number of students in that class. Can you follow me? Can you follow me? Yes. What is the example? In a class, in first standard, we have 5 girls and 5 boys. Girls are of one group and boys are of one group. When we put these two groups together, we get the total number of students in that group, in that class. What will be the total number of students? 5 plus 5? 10. Right? There will be total 10 students in that group. Like that, we say in our right hand, we have 5 fingers. In our left hand, we have also 5 fingers. Right? Then how many fingers are there in our hand? Together in our hand, we have 10 fingers. That means we are adding the fingers in both hands. We are put together. We are putting together these two hands. We get 10 fingers. Right? You can see some examples in page number 94. Get started. How many in all? Count and write. There are some zebras. 1 zebra and 2 zebra. Group of 1 zebra and group of 2 zebras. If we put together, we get 1, 2, 3 zebras. Write 3 in the circle given. 3 zebras. Okay. Under that, you can see how many balls are there in first group? 2 balls. Then again, in another group, there are 2 balls. Okay. Then total there are 1, 2, 3, 4 groups. Sorry, 4 balls. There are 4 balls in these 2 groups. Right? Here we add by counting. Here we add by counting the objects. നമ്മൾ ഇവിടെ തന്നിരിക്കുന്ന ഒബ്ജക്ട്സ് ആഡ് കൗണ്ട് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ എത്ര എണ്ണാന്ന് കണ്ടുപിടിച്ചത് അല്ലേ? Another example, addition using plus. Addition using plus. You know, mathematics is the language of short language ആണ് mathematics എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. That means we have so many symbols to express the idea. We have many symbols to express our idea. We can express a long sentence in a short one. That means mathematics is a short language. We already studied the symbol for greater than, less than, and equal to, right? We use greater than symbol for the word greater than. In mathematics, we use this symbol greater than. We use less than symbol. We have less than symbol for instead of the word less than, right? And in mathematics, we use equal to symbol instead of writing equal to. നമ്മൾ greater than എന്ന് എഴുതുന്നതിന് പകരം we use that symbol. ഇനി less than എന്ന് എഴുതുന്നതിന് പകരം we also use that symbol. Equal to എന്ന് എഴുതുന്നതിന് പകരം we use 2 small lines to express equal to. Like that, we have a symbol for addition. Do you know that symbol? What is the symbol for addition? Symbol for addition is plus, like this. This is the symbol for addition. I will show you. Listen here. This is the symbol for addition. Okay, when we have to write 2 apples and 4 apples. When we have to write 2 apples and 4 apples. We write like this. We did not mention the name of object in addition. We only add the quantities. Okay, here we write 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4. This is the method for writing addition. നമ്മൾ എന്തെങ്കിലും രണ്ട് ഒബ്ജക്ട്സ് ആയിരിക്കും നമുക്ക് ആഡ് ചെയ്യാനുണ്ടാവുക അല്ലേ? നേരത്തെ നമ്മൾ പറഞ്ഞു സമജ്ഞ, ദേവപ്രിയ രണ്ടും ഓരോ പേഴ്സൺ ആണ്. ബട്ട് വി കൺസിഡർ ഓൺലി ദി ക്വാണ്ടിറ്റി. നമ്മൾ അവരുടെ നെയിം കൺസിഡർ ചെയ്യുന്നില്ല, നമ്മൾ അവരുടെ ജെൻഡർ കൺസിഡർ ചെയ്യുന്നില്ല. 1 and 1 അല്ലേ? സമജ്ഞയ്ക്ക് പകരം 1, ദേവപ്രിയക്ക് പകരം 1. നമ്മൾ അവിടെ ഫിഗേഴ്സ് മാത്രമേ കൺസിഡർ ചെയ്യുന്നുള്ളൂ. Like that, here we have to add 2 apples, group of 2 apples and group of 4 apples. How can we write that? We did not mention the name of object. നമ്മൾ 2 apples എന്ന് എഴുതില്ല ഒരിക്കലും. നമ്മൾ മാത്സിൽ എന്താണ് നമ്പേഴ്സും സിമ്പിൾസും വെച്ച് മാത്രമാണ് നമ്മൾ നമ്മുടെ ഐഡിയാസ് എക്സ്പ്രസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. So we use only numbers and symbols. Okay. So here write 2 instead of 2 apples. Here 2 means 2 apples. And for add we use the symbol plus. And 4 means 4 apples. 4 means 4 apples. That is 2 apples and 4 apples can be written as 2 plus 4. നമ്മൾ ഇത്രയും വലിയൊരു സെന്റൻസിനെ എത്രയാ? 2 apples add 4 apples എന്ന് പറയുന്ന സെന്റൻസിനെ എത്രയായി നമ്മൾ ചുരുക്കി എഴുതി? 2 plus 4. Right? Then how many apples will be there? There will be 2 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There will be 6 apples. Right? There will be 6 apples. Then the answer is written as 2 plus 4 equal to 6. 2 plus 4 equal to 6. What does this mean? This means that when we add a group of 2 apples and another group of 4 apples, we get a group of 6 apples. We get a group of 6 apples. When we add a group of 2 apples and a group of 4 apples, we get a group of 6 apples.
Excuse me, teacher.
Yes.
Video off ആക്കിയത് ആരെങ്കിലും ഉണ്ടോ? എല്ലാവരും വീഡിയോ ഓൺ ആണോ? വീഡിയോ ഓഫ് ആക്കി ആരെങ്കിലും ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ എന്നെ അറിയിക്കണം കേട്ടോ. വീഡിയോ ഓൺ ആക്കാത്തവർ ആരാണേലും അറിയിച്ചേക്കണം കേട്ടോ. ഓക്കെ, എനിക്ക് പേരെഴുതി തന്നേരെ ഞാൻ ഹാൻഡിൽ ചെയ്തോളാം. കൈയോട് ഓൺ ആക്കാൻ പറഞ്ഞു അവരോട്. എന്റെ പേരെഴുതി.
Okay, all of you listen. You are not allowed to turn off your video during the class. All of you please turn on your video. Shansa, turn on your video. Okay, let's continue. It is the method of addition. Take another example. If we have a group of 3 pencils and another group of 5 pencils. If we have a group of 3 pencils and another group of 5 pencils, what will be the total number of pencils? What we have to add? We have to add 3 pencils plus 3 pencils plus 3 plus and 5 pencils. That will be equal to how many pencils are there in total? 3 pencils plus 5 pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There will be total 8 pencils. If we put these two groups together, we get total 8 pencils in that group. Okay? Can you follow me? Can you follow me? Do you get the idea? എന്താണ് addition എന്ന് മനസ്സിലായോ? Okay, then take page number 95. You have some problems there in page number 95. The first one is given for you. First one is given for you. There are a group of 2 apples and another group of 2 apples. We will get 2 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 apples. That is given in your textbook. Okay. The next one. Look at the picture of balls. Look at the picture of balls. In first group, there are how many balls are there? How many balls are there in first group? Please show me your answer with your finger. Okay. There are 4 balls. Write 4 in that box. Then in second group, there is only 1 ball, and write 1 in that box. Okay. Then what will be the total number of balls? 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1. It is 5. Okay. It is 5. There are total 5 balls in that picture. The next one, candles. In first group, how many candles are there? First group, how many candles are there? 5 candles, right? Then we have to add 3 more candles to that group. Then what will be the total number of candles? 5 plus 3. Right? 5 under this first group and 3 under the second group. Then what will be the total number of candles? 5 plus 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 number of candles are there. Total 8 number of candles. Okay. Then next one, pencils. Can you write this? Can you write that work for pencils and teddy bear? ആ പെൻസിലിന്റെയും ടെഡി ബിയറിന്റെയും പ്രോബ്ലം നിങ്ങൾക്കൊന്ന് ഇപ്പൊ ജസ്റ്റ് പറഞ്ഞതുപോലെ എഴുതാൻ പറ്റുമോ? Just try to write that. Okay. After that, I will give you the answer. Okay, അത് രണ്ടെണ്ണം ആക്കണ്ട, എല്ലാം എഴുതിക്കും. ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടില്ലല്ലോ. ആ പേജിൽ കൊടുത്തിരിക്കുന്ന എല്ലാത്തിന്റെയും ആൻസർ. Try to write that all answers. After completing, I will give you the answers. Okay. Okay, then let's discuss the answer. In the case of pencils, who is to answer me? Who is to answer me? Okay, Ishan.
9.
9. There are total 9. How many pencils are there in each group? In first group there are
6.
6. In second group there are
3.
3. Okay, very good. Then 6 plus 3 gives 6 plus 3 equal to 9. Next one, teddy bears. Parvana. In first group there are 4. Second group there are 3. Then total 4 plus 3 equal to 7. Very good. Next one, the case of flowers. Albert. In first group there are, okay, Albert. 3. In second group there are 3 flowers. Total
3.
how many flowers are there?
6.
6 flowers. That means 3 plus 3 equal to 6. Next one, crayons. നമ്മുടെ birthday കാര്യം പറയട്ടെ, Anna Grace. In first group there are 8 plus 2 equal to 10. Very good. Next, butterflies. Lakshmi.
Three plus 5 is equal to 8.
Very good. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Next, mangoes. Mangoes are to be going to Hessa.
Four plus 5 to 9.
4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Very good. Next, leaves. Leaves, Bhavika.
7 plus 2 equal
To 9. Okay, very good. 7 plus 2 equal to 9. All of you got this answer? ബാക്കി എല്ലാവർക്കും സങ്കടാവണ്ട, അടുത്ത ക്ലാസ്സിൽ ചോദിക്കാം കേട്ടോ. In next page, page number 96. In page number 96, you can see some questions. One coloring question and one question for addition. Can you do that? As homework, coloring question നിങ്ങൾ homework ആയിട്ട് ചെയ്യാം. എങ്ങനെ? Color the circles and add the groups. You are given some circles and you have to color that circles and add the groups. തന്നിരിക്കുന്ന circlesന് same ഒരു ഗ്രൂപ്പിൽ വരുന്ന circlesന് same color കൊടുക്കാം. The first one is given for you. You can see that in first group there are 4 circles and the 4 circles are colored orange. Then next group of 2 circles, then the 2 circles are colored green. Then 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Like that, you can give colors to these circles as you like. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇഷ്ടമുള്ള കളേഴ്സ് കൊടുക്കാം. But remember one thing, the circles in one group should be in one color. Okay? Then next one, add. You can see some questions to add. Now, listen one more thing. From starting, now you can add the numbers with your fingers, with the help of your fingers. I will give you one example. The first one is given for you, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Second one, 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6. How to add 3 plus 6? Take 3. Take 3 in one hand. To 3, we have to add 6. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is one group, 3. Then we have to add 6 to that group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then the total number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 plus 6 is 9. Okay? 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. Next, 3 plus 3. How we add 3 and 3? Take 3 fingers in one hand. 3 fingers in one hand. Then we have to add 3 to that 3. Then 1, 2, 3. This is the first group and we add 1, 2, 3 to this group. We get total 5 plus 1, 6. Then 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Okay? Like that, can you complete these all problems as homework? Okay, take your own time to do that. Send me your answers before tomorrow evening, okay? And don't forget that you will have exam on Sunday evening at 7 p.m. on second chapter. Okay, I will give you instructions for exam in your WhatsApp group. Then be prepared for that. Study well. Shall we wind up now? Attendance mark cheyyatavaru onnu pettannu onnu mark cheyido. The class is going to be wind up. Is there any doubt? എന്തെങ്കിലും doubt ഉണ്ടോ? എന്തെങ്കിലും doubt ഉണ്ടോ? No. Okay, then do your homework. Be prepared for the exam. Do well. Let's wind up now. Bye. See you in next class.